This is a tutorial showing you how to complete step 1 of fork processing in FORCsensei. This is the cloud version of the tutorial, so if you're working with a local installation, you should actually go back and watch the local version, which is available here. This is information specific for the cloud version. So what we need to do in step 1 is identify the fork data file that we want to work with. Now on the cloud, that's a little bit more tricky because we first have to load the data onto the cloud in order that it's available for our Jupyter notebook. This is actually relatively simple. We go to the Jupyter image up here and we want to open the link associated with this image in a new tab. So in the case of my system, I right click and I'm going to say open link in new tab. That'll open a new tab on my browser, and when I go to that tab, you can see it's got information about all the files that are available in the current space allocation we've been provided on the cloud. So these are the various files it needs for running FORCsensei, but what we can do is upload our own data file onto the cloud. So if we say upload, and here's my Finder window, and here's the data file simply on my system that I want to upload. Of course, on your system you may need to navigate to the file that you want to use, but now I say open, and you can see it's appeared here with a file name, and I can say upload to upload it onto the cloud. Still uploading, might take a little bit of time, but once that's been uploaded, we can then switch back. You can see here's the file, it's now been uploaded. We can switch back to the FORCsensei notebook and we can choose the file that we want to work with. So we just click the select button. It opens a little navigator, and here is my data file, which is being hosted within this allocated space on the cloud, and I can say select. This is now my file, and I'm now ready to move on to step 2.